Did you know that YouTube has a built-in AI feature called Ask Studio that can help you grow your channel? The AI feature looks through your channel in detail, analyzes it, and gives you detailed information to greatly improve your channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Ask Studio AI feature to make your YouTube channel better. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. You have to do this on a web browser, so go to your computer and open up a web browser like Google Chrome. Go to youtube.com. Click on your profile icon on the top right, then click on YouTube Studio. On the top right bar, click on the Ask Studio icon beside your notification bell icon. Here, a column will appear on the right of your screen. On the bottom, you can see a list of suggestions that you can ask AI Studio to help make your channel better. You can also type in the chat box to ask AI Studio anything. So for example, I want to ask AI to suggest new video ideas to me. AI Studio will take a while to analyze your channel and come up with a list of suggested videos that I can do next. If you like any of the suggestions by AI Studio, you can further expand on it by clicking on Tell Me More, and the AI will gather more information to help you build the video or even give you more topics that you can cover next. Feel free to ask more questions because this AI Studio is created by YouTube to specifically help your channel improve. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life too. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.